Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Jael and happy Black History Month. Today we are actually going to be looking at a Black-owned brand, TLB Vegan Beauty, formerly known as THELIPBAR, and they have a product out called the Just a Tint 3-in-1 Tinted Skin Conditioner. It has SPF 11 and hyaluronic acid in it. It's their newest launch, or one of their newest launches, and I am so excited to show you guys all about this product, or to talk to you guys all about this product today. This is what it looks like. I have mine in the shade Caramel Delight. I picked this shade out. They have a smaller shade range because they're kind of following those classic BB cream tinted moisturizer rules where you have a smaller selection that's supposed to cater to a range of people because it's so sheer. This one is definitely something that has a little bit more coverage to it than those, so I am going to be keeping an eye out if they decide to expand the shade range, but just so you have the information off of the top. I have tried this product out before because I'm just kind of in the mood where I feel like before I give a review or my thoughts on foundations, not all of the time, but sometimes I want to try them out ahead of time and really get a feel for them. Sometimes it's fun to just try them out and give like an immediate first impression, but I also like the idea of just getting to wear something, see how I like the performance, and then kind of commenting on it after a couple tries. So this one is definitely one of those times. I do want to read the claims on the product just so that we have kind of just a fuller picture of what this product is supposed to do. So it says, sun protector, complexion perfector, skin moisturizer, the perfect marriage of skincare and a flawless complexion. Our 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner helps keep your skin healthy, glowing with rosewater, cucumber extract, Irish sea moss extract, and hyaluronic acid for serious moisture and SPF 11 to help protect against sunburn. This formula is oil-free and provides a natural, radiant, and sheer buildable coverage. When I tried it out the other day, I did actually really like it, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys how the process of this, how it looks on, and just talk about it because I think it's such a cool product and it's something that I'm super into. So to start, I am going to prime my T-zone. I already have my SPF on, even though this has SPF in it. The foundation, I still like to put SPF on anyway. So I have this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch primer, and this is just a soft matte one. I am definitely a person that believes in making cocktail blends on your face for primers and using certain things in certain areas. So I like to use this one primarily in my T-zone area because that's where I feel like I have the most issue. And following that, I like to go in with the JUST A Beauty Glow Activator Radiance Primer. This one is a more affordable primer, and JUST A Beauty has some really cool stuff. So if you haven't checked them out, I highly suggest you do. This primer, of course, like it says, does do a great job of just giving you a little bit of radiance. It helps to smooth things out. I always like to spritz my face beforehand as well. So I'm just going to be using this In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. It looks like this. It's super cool. And I'm going to let that kind of soak into the skin for a bit. So I put about like just a little squeeze and a half. So it's kind of like a pump to a pump and a half of product. And for me, I feel like that is enough to give me what I need when I am using this. So just to kind of help lay that out, like half of a squeeze. So literally it's this much, and it's about a pump and a half. And now we can just get to the application. Very quickly, before I apply, I am going to do some slight color correction. This is what I do when I do my makeup anytime. So I like to always just be clear with that. I know that I'm going to try and just help to tone down some of the hyperpigmentation on my skin. I have a few areas just need addressing, so I am going to go ahead and cover those up. I'm not necessarily testing this for coverage, but there are other areas that I don't touch that I know will peek through, and I'm okay with that because I'm not trying to get them super covered. I'm just trying to address the areas that are going to make my makeup look off. So just so that that is fully explained. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like on my skin. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I am loving it, and I'm going to go ahead, pop on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and give you guys like the full range of my final thoughts so we can see how everything looks all together. All right, you guys, and this is the completed look, and I am so happy with how absolutely everything turned out. I did actually film a TikTok / Insta reel on how I got this full face. So if you guys want to know how I did that, make sure you are following me on Instagram or TikTok and you can go ahead and check that out. I will have all those products listed over there, and that will be going up tomorrow, which is Saturday. So make sure you guys check that out for sure. I think that we all have a really good idea of how this foundation wears, or the skin conditioner. I think it just looks beautiful. It reminds me a lot of the concept behind the Rare Beauty foundation, which is it's supposed to be lightweight. It's supposed to not feel like you have anything on your skin, and it's just supposed to be glowy and hydrating. And I feel like this is that, but I actually like this a little bit better because I feel like my skin just responds better to this. The other one, it does respond well now that I kind of know how to manipulate it, but this one I don't feel like I have to do a lot of manipulation to. I feel like it just looks nice from the jump, which is what I want. You know, obviously I am under like my studio lights, so I'm going to look a little bit more like pristine, but I do have skin texture. I do have those issues that I have to take heed of, and I don't feel like anything is super emphasized. I feel like everything looks just nice. It looks like my skin, and my skin looks beautiful. I don't feel like this breaks up. I feel like it wears well throughout the day, and I just am really, really happy. My skin is just looking very radiant and very glowy, and I have a very natural highlight on, so it's not even that. It's just the product itself. It just looks beautiful, and I feel like it just stays this way all day. I'm just excited. So if you guys are interested in finding this product, I believe that it is available in stores. I'm not positive. It might only be available online, but if you guys do decide to pick it up, I will have a link down below. Remember, it is an affiliate link, but if you guys are like, you know, I'm not really comfortable with that, that is totally fine. You do you, boo. Go ahead and check this out though, because you deserve to have this beautiful product in your life. So make sure we're supporting our Black-owned brands. We need to support these Black-owned brands out here in these streets. Let people know that the Black-owned brands are here, and they deserve our love, and they deserve our devotion, and they deserve our attention and our coins. So with that being said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it introduced you to something very exciting from a brand that I very much love. And yeah, I hope that you guys had fun. I will see you guys in my very next one. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can join this wonderful community we are building here. Make sure you hit the like button so that I know you liked this video, and we can show TLB some love and support, because, I mean, they might not watch this video, but I will know that you are showing them love and support. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you never miss when an upload happens, and you guys are always the first ones there. And of course, make sure to comment down below and let me know if you're going to be picking up this product or if there's any other things that you've had your eyes on you just want to share with me, because I would love to know. I'm not always on top of makeup launches, to be completely honest. I try to be, but there's so much product that comes out that I miss it. So let me know. All right, and with that being said, I will see you all again in my very next one. Bye, my loves.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation.